Hey, AJ.
Hey.
How are you doing?
Good.
You doing fine?
Yes.
So, are you about to get in your car and drive away? Are you about to leave in the car? Are you leaving?
Yes.
Where are you going?
See Pastor Key?
To see Pastor Key?
Yes.
Who else?
Pastor Woody?
And Pastor Rudy?
Yeah.
Okay. Can Mommy go? Can I go with you?
Yes.
Yes. And when we go,
Go?
can we sit with Grandma?
Yes.
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 Is Daddy going?
Huh?
Is Daddy going?
No.
Daddy's not going?
No.
No? Okay. Well, AJ, where is Pastor Rudy? He's at home?
Yes.
So that's where we're going, to Pastor Rudy's house?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I guess we'll see him later.
Huh?
Say, see you later, Pastor Rudy.
Yeah, Pastor Woody.
Okay.